guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the beginning of February. We've got some goals this month, some things I'm going to be playing with. I hope you are enjoying my new Tuesdays in the Attic with Jen and our lovely Freaky Fast formulas. I'm loving those to pieces. We've got Craft IQ that's starting back up this month. You'll see some Confessions of a Paper Addict layouts from me. One today you should see. And I'm going to be doing, and Stash Smash, of course. I'm going to keep working with that Jen Hatfield collection. I still got quite a bit of it left. But I am going to play with How to Kill a Kit with Style this month as well. So, I love that Sarah suggested, or I think Sarah suggested, that we start theming our How to Kill a Kit with Style kits. It's kind of fun. At least then you kind of see a cohesion between all of the people that are playing. I did not play in January. I kind of eased back into doing things again because I took a lot of time off in December. But I am playing in February, and the theme is vintage. So two things came to my mind right away. Just because I've been playing with a lot of lovely collections from the scrap room. You'll see them. They're released this month in their Flavors of the Month kit. So looking at vintage, a couple things came to mind. One, this Authentique collection kit that I've had forever. It's from 2011. This is the Uncommon collection is what it's called, kit. You get 12 pattern papers, 3 die cut elements, mini word stickers, and 2 sticker alphas. And if you look, I've barely touched this. So these are the alphas. There's mini sticker alphas. There's word phrases. There's... oh, they're all taped together. There's these die cut things. A lot of things that are not my style. But I've had it forever, and I would consider it, oh yeah, these got stuck to that, a challenge to use them. Get off. Yeah. What I do love, though, is they have these things that are printed, and on the back there is a pattern. So if you decide you don't like what's printed, you could just use... so that was very smart of them, even for back in the day. Anyway, it's a lot of die cut things, lots of papers. I think maybe I've used one paper? I'm not sure. A lot of pinks, a lot of reds, a lot of grays. So very vintagey. So first one, that came to mind. Second one that came to mind was this one that is new to me. I just got it not too long ago. I think it was in my Cherry, the blind box from a Cherry on Top that I got, which was super exciting because this is definitely a collection that I had been looking at wanting to use. So this is Fancy Pants My Type collection kit. And I've kind of cut into it a little bit, but it's got a lot of vintage in the fact that it's got all these typewriters and like sparrows and you know, kids these days think letters are vintage. So it does have like a vintage feel to it. But it's also got blues and turquoise and other reds and things. So I wasn't sure which one I wanted to use. So I asked some of my scrappy friends, and so far they had voted, more people had voted for Fancy Pants than Authentique. So I think what we'll do is I'm going to play with Fancy Pants this month. This is my How to Kill a Kit with Style kit. So you're going to see me playing with this along with my Jen Hatfield on Saturdays, along with my scrap room kits. You'll see I have a lot of my videos done for... I have a lot of my videos done for Tuesdays in the Attic, so I will not be using a lot of them for that, but I'll try and do some other layouts throughout the month using this. So yeah, but I'm going to keep on keeping on. Those are, you know, my typical goals. I've got things I want to do. It's a short month, so it's kind of busy, and yeah, we're getting there. Let's just say that. So here we go. Thank you very much. Everybody who is doing How to Kill a Kit with Style will be linked down below, as well as some affiliate links if you want to go shopping or get anything else that you like down below. But that's what I'm going to play with this month. So this is my kit. You'll see more of it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for other videos on my channel. Bye.